Today we are at the farm with some of our favorite friends, but they're hiding. Can you spot them? We are going to be learning about colors and numbers and fruit and vegetables. So let's get started. Blue, red, yellow, green, red, blue, yellow, red, green. Here comes the chicken with all its eggs. Oh no! One of the eggs is missing. There should be 3 eggs. Count with me and let's see. 1, 2. There's only 2 eggs. Where's the 3rd egg? Let's call the farmer and find out. Here comes the farmer.
What am I going to do? One of my eggs is missing.
I think we're going to have to get some of our favorite friends to help. Can you see who's hiding in the farm? We have Big Bird. There he is. Who else is hiding? I think I see Princess Aurora. Can you spot anyone else? Oh, look! Look who's hiding in the fruit and veg. We have Catboy, Gecko, Marshall, Elmo, and Cinderella. Who else is hiding? Ooh, I think I spot some more. There's Rubble and a Rocky. And who's that over there next to the tree? I think it's Ryder. And look! There's Owlette, all the way up there. Let's bring her down. Who else is hiding? Let's bring out all our favorite friends to help us find the missing egg. Okay, now that most of our friends are on board, it's time to go look for the missing egg. I think it's best to leave the tractor for all the farmyard animals, like this sheep. Can you guess the shape that's underneath the sheep? That's right, it's a square. Let's put it in the square shape. We also have a chicken. What kind of shape is this? Correct, it's a circle. Let's put it in the circle shape. And the last farmyard animal is a duck. What kind of shape does it have? That's right, a triangle. There we go. Bye. Maybe the missing egg is at the top of this tree. No! All I see are two bears, and they're upside down. What are they doing? Let's see what happens if we put the bear on the right way. Fun! Let's try the other bear. Cool! Let's try it again. I wonder if they climbed down at the same time. They got stuck. Yellow bear is stuck. Let's try it again. Let's put them upside down again. So we still haven't found the missing egg. Oh, hey Marshall, how's it going?
I think I found the missing egg.
Really? Where is it?
Hold on, let me get it.
Here it comes. Let's count the eggs. 1, 2, 3. Yay, there's 3 eggs. But wait, the last one looks a bit funny.
It's an egg, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Hooray, I found it!
But wait, this isn't the egg we're looking for. This is a chocolate egg.
Let's open it!
Okay, let's see what's inside. It says there's a chicken inside. Let's find out. Wow, that's a really big chocolate egg. Oh no! And look! There's a chocolate chip inside. And it's got something inside it as well. Let's find out. Let's crack the head. Ah! There's some sweeties inside. Yummy.
So delicious.
Not too much, Marshall. I'll give you a stomachache. It looks like Cookie Monster's also found an egg. Let's count the eggs. 1, 2. What's this? This is a Peppa Pig mushrooms. This isn't an egg.
Cookies.
No, it's not a cookie either. It's a mushrooms. Shall we open it? Okay. I wonder which character we're going to get. We got Pedro Pony. And he is extra squishy. Let's see how stretchy he is. I wonder if he's going to help us look for more eggs. Who else has spotted an egg? Rubble! Let's count the eggs. 1, 2, 3. But wait! This is a Paw Patrol surprise egg! Shall we open it and see what kind of surprise are inside? Okay! Lots of yummy chocolate. I wonder what surprise is inside. It looks like we got a Rocky eraser. Is Rocky your favorite Paw Patrol pup? Oh look! It looks like Ryder and the PJ Masks have found something. I think it's hiding in the basket of fruit and veg. Let's check it out. So in the basket we found a banana, an orange, a mushroom, what's this? Is it a potato? No, I think it's the missing egg. Yay! They found it. Let's put the missing egg back in its place. Now let's take a closer look at all this yummy fruit and veg. Let's see if we can name all of these fruit and vegetables. It looks like there are 2 of each of these fruit and vegetables. Can we pair them up? Let's try. What do we call this? That's right, it's a carrot. Can you see another carrot anywhere? Here it is. We have 2 carrots. Now let's look for a fruit. Here is a very yummy looking strawberry. It's very bright red. Can you spot another strawberry? Is it this one? No. Here it is. Now we have 2 strawberries. What is this? It's an apple. That's right. And I think I see another apple right next to it. And look, they're green and red. Let's look for a yellow fruit or vegetable. Can you spot anything yellow? What about here? Look, we have 2 lemons. And they are yellow. Let's find something purple. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Can you see any fruit and vegetables that are purple? What about this? Do you know the name of this vegetable? Correct, it's an aubergine. And it's also called an eggplant. Let's look for something orange this time. Can you spot a fruit or vegetable that's orange? That's an easy one. This is an orange, and it's also orange. Can you spot the other orange? There it is. 2 oranges. Can anyone see a banana? Here's one. I wonder where the other banana is. Let's look. I think it's over there. There we go. 2 bananas. We have a few more fruit and veg to pair up. What do we call this? That's right, it's a potato. Can you spot another one? There it is. 2 potatoes. We have a pair of pears. What color are they? They're green. We also have some red tomatoes. And some cucumbers. And mushrooms. Yummy! Let's use this needle and thread to make a fruit and veg necklace. Apple, carrot, lemon, strawberry, mushroom, aubergine, orange, banana, Pear. Tomato. Potato. Here we have our fruit and veg necklace. Can you count how many fruit and veg there are? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 fruit and vegetables.